Hello everyone, I am Professor S.R. Kale from KK College of Food Technology, Nasik. Today we are going to cover a new topic, that is microscopes and type of different microscope. We will begin with microscope. What is microscope? Microscope, it is an electronic instrument which used to see the enlarged image of very small object which cannot be seen distinctly by human naked eyes. It means that microscope is an electronic device which we are used to see the very small object. That is, we are using microscope for the observation of microorganism which we are unable to see by human naked eyes. That device is called as microscope. Discovery of microscope. Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered microscope. He is also known as the father of microscope. He is a first person to observe living microbes by using single lens magnified with the range of 50 to 300 magnification range, and by using this microscope he wrote series of paper which describing his observation of bacteria, algae, protozoa and fungi, animalcules means different type of microorganism in the period between 1674 to 1723. Here you can see that the image of microscope. This is the first microscope which was discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. This microscope is consisting of lens, specimen holder, focusing screw and handle. Now we will see the classification of microbes. Microscope, it is divided into two major types. First one is light or optical microscope and second one is electron microscope. A light or optical microscope is divided into four different types. First one is bright field microscope. This bright field microscope involves simple microscope and compound microscope. Second, dark field microscope. Third, fluorescence microscope. And fourth one is phase contrast microscope. While electronic microscope, it is divided into three major types. First one is scanning electron microscope, which is called as SEM, transmission electron microscope, that is STEM, and scanning and transmission electron microscope, that is STEM. We will see one by one. So here we are beginning with light or optical microscope. The light waves are used to produce the enlarged image of very small object, and magnification is obtained by a system of optical lenses. It means that here we are using light waves to enlarge the image of object by using optical lenses. There are four different types of light microscope. First one is bright field microscope, dark field microscope, fluorescence microscope and phase contrast microscope. Bright field microscope. Here the microscopic field is brightly illuminated and the microbes appear darker as they observe some of the light passing through them. Means the light which we are using to produce the enlarged image of microorganism, here that light is absorbed by microorganism to produce bright image. This bright field microscope is divided into two types. First one is simple microscope and second one is compound microscope. Simple microscope, it is used to obtain small magnification. A single biconvex lens magnifies the size of object to get an enlarged virtual image. Here we are using single biconvex lens. Compound microscope. Most commonly used microscope for general studies. It magnifies the size of object by a complex system of lens arrangement. It has a series of two lenses. First one is the objective lens and another one is ocular lens to magnify the size of object. Second type is dark field microscope. In a dark field microscope, the object is illuminated against dark background. Here, whatever the background, it is dark in color, and on this dark background, the appearance of microorganism is very clear. Fluorescence microscope. It is used to view fluorescent microbes and microbes stained with fluorescence dye for specific purpose. Here we are using this fluorescence microscope for specific purpose, such as we are using this fluorescence microscope especially in the cancer research laboratory. Fourth one is phase contrast microscope. It is a compound microscope which is fitted with phase contrast condenser and phase contrast objective. It means that only a compound microscope which has a different arrangement of condenser and objective, that is, the condenser and objective are arranged and replaced by phase contrast. This phase contrast microscope is used to see the different refractive indices or thickness under unstained condition. Advantages and disadvantages of light microscope. Advantages of light microscope. Direct imaging with no need of sample pre-treatment, the only microscopy for real color imaging. Fast and adaptable to all kind of sample system, from gas to liquid and to solid sample system in any shape or geometries. It is easy to be integrated with digital camera system for data storage and analysis. Disadvantages of light microscope. Low resolution, usually down to only submicron or a few hundred of nanometer, mainly due to the light diffraction limit. Now the second type of microscope is electron microscope. Here the electron beam are used to produce the image of object, and the magnification is obtained by a system of electromagnetic field. See, in case of light microscope we are using light beam, and here in case of electron microscope we are using electron beam and electromagnetic field to obtain an image. These electron microscope are basically divided into three different types. First one is scanning electron microscope, that is SEM. Second is transmission electron microscope, that is TEM. And third one is scanning and transmission electron microscope, that is STEM. We will see one by one. So here we are beginning with scanning electron microscope, that is SEM. An electron beam is used to scan the surface of object, and it is used to observe the surface structure of microscopic object. Here in case of SEM, that is scanning electron microscope, we are using electron beam over the surface of object, and by using this electron beam we are going to scan the surface of object for the study of or to observe the surface structure of microscopic objects. Second one is transmission electron microscope, that is TEM. The electron beam is transmitted through an ultra thin section of the object and the image is magnified by electromagnetic field. It is used to observe finer detail of internal structure of microscopic object. Here the ultra thin section of food or any object is taken, and over that ultra thin section we are going to transmit the electron beam, and by using electromagnetic field the image is produced. This TEM, that is transmission electron microscope, is used to observe the finer details of internal structure of microscopic objects. Third one is scanning and transmission electron microscope, that is STEM. The scanning and electron microscope having both transmission and scanning microscope functioning. This STEM, that is scanning and transmission electron microscope, is very rarely used in any kind of analysis, but most probably we are going to use the same and TEM in case of electronic microscope. Thank you. And here we are completed with our topic, that is microscope and types of different microscopes.